Gypsum board is fireproof and simple for construction, but easy to break, have many pores, so not sound insulation. Calcium silicate board is stronger than gypsum board, durable and soundproof, but the price will be higher. Let us see a test. Here we put water on the calcium silicate board. Few minutes later, it became dry out. For ceiling construction, usually we use 8mm or 10mm thickness gypsum board and 6mm or 8mm calcium silicate board. The size of gypsum board and the calcium silicate board is 1.22 meters by 2.44 meters. For ceiling construction, we also need another accessories. It consists of main frame screw, cross screw, hanger, suspender, nuts, self-tapping screw. At the end, let us see the construction process of false ceiling through a video.